Donnelly Street dead ends, but you're like one property in from US Route 2, the Main Street in Smyrna Mills. This is what you look at across the street. We're trying to give you the bird's eye view of everything around 10 Donnelly Street, this warehouse storage building. She's ideal for retail, manufacturing, light distribution. You could do a lot of things with a commercial application here. What would you use this insulated building? It's about 60 feet long. It's all metal, steel, no center post. She's a clear span, wrapped in aluminum on the outside. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Let's talk about 10 Donnelly Street in southern Aroostook County. All kinds of lakes around here means there's storage needs for the boats, for the pontoon vessels, for the sailboats.